Let's share these gems equally among 3 groups. 12 gems shared by 3 leaves 4 in each group.
We have 8 cupcakes. Let's share them into 2 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4.
15 coins shared into 5 treasure chests.
Can you divide these magic orbs into 3 equal groups?
Great job! You completed the Division Castle quest! See you in the next magical math adventure on Tots Melody House.
Come and sing along with us here at the Tots Melody House.